So you finally want to start a film festival. Choosing the name is the number one thing you have to start with. It's also a pretty big decision. So in this video, I'm going to break down how I choose my film festival's name. I'm going to share with you 3 tips that have helped me decide what festival name that I went with. Hi, my name is Jordan Bryant. I've been a filmmaker for 18 years and I've hosted over 10 film festivals. Number 1, your city. If you come from a small town or a city that's just not popular with film festivals, I would absolutely start with your city's name and the film festival. Number 2, the feeling. I named my film festival the Elevate Film Festival, just Elevate Film Festival, because we wanted a high vibe film festival. So if you're choosing a name and your city's taken, go with the feeling. And if you want to experiment and get some ideas, go to ChatGPT and type in what kind of vibe that you want to create. Have ChatGPT literally list out all these cool names that your experienced film festival will have. It's the feeling and the film festival at the end. Number 3, your specific genre. So is it short film festival, or is it like horror film festival, comedy film festival? Recently I changed mine to the Pickle Flicks Film Festival to Night of Pickleball Comedy. There's no film festival in it, however it is a film festival underlined because people submit and have to choose, but it's pickleball specific. Now choosing names is just the start. So I have a series that I'm doing, and if you click this next video right here, it's going to share with you more information on the best next step to starting your film festival. So click the video right here, and I'll see you on the other side.